In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new workspace in ClickUp and set it up for your first tasks. To get started, open ClickUp and log into your account. Once you're inside the platform, look to the upper left corner of the screen and click on your workspace avatar. This opens the workspace menu, which is where you can manage your current setup and create additional workspaces if you need them. From that menu, click Create Workspace. ClickUp allows you to create multiple workspaces, which can be helpful if you want to keep different types of work separate, like personal planning, business operations, or client projects. After you click to create one, ClickUp will guide you through a short onboarding process. As you move through the setup screens, choose the options that best match how you plan to use your new workspace. These selections help ClickUp tailor the experience to your needs, so it's worth taking a moment to pick the most appropriate setup. Next, enter a name for your workspace. You can use something clear and descriptive, such as My Business Workspace, so it's easy to recognize later. A good name helps keep things organized, especially if you plan to create more than one workspace over time. After naming it, continue through the remaining onboarding screens. Follow the prompts until you reach the final step, then click the button to finish creating your workspace. Once the setup is complete, ClickUp will automatically open your new workspace for you. At this point, your workspace is ready, and you can begin organizing your work. The next step is to create your first space from the workspace sidebar. In ClickUp, spaces are used to organize broader areas of work or different workflows. For example, you might create separate spaces for marketing, operations, or content planning. Once your space is created, go inside it and create your first list. Lists are useful for grouping related tasks together, usually by project, process, or work type. This gives your space more structure and makes task management much easier as your workflow grows. After that, open your list and create your first task. Enter the task name, then create the task to save it. This is the basic building block of your ClickUp workflow, and from here, you can continue adding more tasks as needed. Your new ClickUp workspace is now created and ready to use. Thanks for watching.